Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a review on a device for you. First we're going to get into the cleanse, and then I'm going to come back and talk to you about this $239 device. And I actually have a discount code, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So as you can see, I like to start with my check-in with my client. The cleanser that I'm using, I'm actually using two cream-based cleansers because my client is on the drier side, and these both do different things. The Ultra Berry cleanser and then also the Renee Rouleau cleanser, which is the emulsion cleanser. So I use both of those cleansers to treat my client, and so that's what I'm focusing on right now. But again, the entire point of this video is to show you and demonstrate a ultrasonic Dermabrasion machine that I received that was $239. Yes, girl. I was shocked when they told me that this machine was only $239. I was like, it must not work. But girl, I'm telling you right now, I wish I would have known about this machine sooner. Now, I'm not saying it's like the greatest thing since sliced bread, but girl, $239. It literally, like, I had a hard time really telling the difference between this machine and my $5,000 machine that I have, which is actually, I'm sorry, it's $10,000 when everything's said and done, if you know what I mean. So imagine my frustration when I get a machine that's very similar, and though it's not as, like, it's plastic, so it's not as sturdy as the machine I'm comparing it to. I guess, you know, to me that feels not as sturdy, but girl, it's been holding up. And I've had this device for 30 days, so I've used it multiple times on myself, my wife, my son, multiple clients who have been okay and comfortable with me trying it. And I'm telling you, I'm shocked. I had to come on here and tell y'all about it. So I have a code for you guys. It's going to be coming up soon, so make sure you keep on watching. That is going to save you $30. So then the machine is $209. Girl, like, what? If I was getting ready to start my practice, okay, now you can be like me and have a $7,000, $5,000 machine that costs you $10,000 eventually when everything's said and done after you pay your lease off. Or you could get started right here with this. Like, I'm shocked. While I've got you, let's kind of talk about the service that I'm doing today, and also just kind of update you on things going on. So right now I'm focusing on a hydration facial. My client does deal with like a slight shadowing in the lower half of her face. So like if you're looking, I always break the face into thirds. So we have that first forehead section, we have the middle section, and then we have the lower section and then obviously the neck is that fourth area, depending on the type of service that they book. So looking at her third area, she kind of has a little bit of that darkness, so we're bringing in the big guns, which is one of my favorite enzymes from BioElements. It's the triple enzyme. This enzyme does a great job of eating dead skin cells and exfoliating and making sure that the skin is nice, hydrated, has niacinamide, lactic acid, all of this really yummy stuff that's going to make it super beneficial for my client, right? So I'm going in and I'm doing that. But when I originally got the machine that they sent me, and it's from some company, y'all now, you know I'm not the best with names, okay? Give a thumbs up for your girl who be trying out here. Hit the thumbs up button, girl, because I be trying. But I'm going to put the link down below for you guys. Okay, it's coming in. I had so many questions. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I'm vlogging every single day until I become a millionaire, which is good, not for the week, okay? So because I'm doing that, the very first vlog that I did included me starting this partnership with this company, and they sent me out this device, and they have so many other devices that I want to try. I'm so excited to work with them. But I'm going to show you the machine. But first, I really wanted you to get into the facial with me, because I know that if you're like me, I gotta see it. I gotta see it in action. I gotta see it on skin. I gotta really like play around with it. And so I didn't want to just be like, and here's this device that I got and blah, 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 blah. I wanted to really show you guys in my practice, me, just using this and incorporating it into my routine. And sometimes I think with investments like machines and devices, like you can't rely on them so heavily, but it's always nice to have that added bonus to really elevate the treatment, to really take it to that next level. So, and my client loved it. I have a whole nother, so this device that I'm going to be using, I have a whole nother spiel on it, but it has a Dermabrasion one. It has a skin scrubber, an oxygen sprayer, an ultrasonic device. It has, they're calling it biophotons, which I can like probes, which I understand is similar to microcurrent, which it's microcurrent, girl, okay? And then a hot and cold hammer. And I haven't really used the hot version of the hammer because I'm all about cold, but okay. So my favorite modalities on the device is the oxygen sprayer, and I like the ultrasonic one. I like the ultrasound one, and then I also love the hot and cold hammer. Like the cold hammer, girl, it is nice. Do you hear me? It got so cold. It has so many different energy levels that you could take it to, and it maintained the cold. Sometimes I find with my other device that has the cooling feature, sometimes she be getting a little hot, and I'm like, is it cold still? I don't know. So this is me using the skin scrubber on this device, which is attached to the machine, and I'm going to do a whole unboxing for you guys so you can see that, but this is me using the skin scrubber and really getting in there and doing my extractions. I'm doing my part for my client to make sure that she's walking away with skin that is clear from any, just buildup in the skin. And then also I like to take off product using like the enzymes. I love to use a skin scrubber for enzyme takeoff. Now the thing with the skin scrubber is that you do want to make sure that you're knowledgeable in using it, because you don't want to be messing anybody's face up out here. Like you don't need to be pressing crazy hard. Sometimes I be seeing these TikToks, y'all, and y'all are just soft. It's already vibrating at like 28,000 vibrations per second. You don't need to do too much, okay? It's already designed to do what you want to do. If you feel like extraction wise your client's skin isn't extracting as easy, we might want to talk to them about their hydration levels prior to an appointment, or you might want to talk to them or you might want to look at a different type of disincrustation method. This is why I use the enzyme that I use, but everybody's different. And then the little suction device that I use, it's actually from another company, but I do like that device, so I had to bring it out because it's perfect on the nose. Even though this machine does have a hydrodermabrasion, I just felt like for this treatment I had that handy. I just wanted to grab it and go. And so don't question me, question yourself. But so now I'm using that cold hammer, and I'm actually using a goji berry collagen mask to help penetrate into the skin for deeper hydration, but also treating any breakouts. She does have like a few little and they're literally damn near invisible, girl. Like small little breakouts that she pointed out to me. And we have came such a long ways with her skin. I really want to go back. And if you guys go to my Instagram, you'll see, you'll be able to see some of her skin just over time, but I'm going to post some before and afters for you guys really so you can see it. But her skin has such great results. It responds so well to cold, and that just makes me so happy. So using this device, it just moves so effortlessly on skin. It just chef's kiss. It's so good. I love it so much. I wasn't even planning on talking this much in this video, but I had to come on and talk to you guys about this. Okay, let me shut up.
That's about to let us know how to go.
So this is the device. This is the device that I was talking about, and that's the company, I'm gonna say Microwave, y'all. What? Anyways, so it has a video on how to install the device. So I went ahead and I watched that video so that I could figure out what I was doing, because it didn't have any instructions with it. As far as the serums, they do have some serums that you can order. I personally have not tried those just yet. I am very, 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 very cautious about trying new products. I like to introduce them very slowly. So that's me. But here's the device. It has all of the different modalities that I was telling you about. It does have a warranty, it looks like. And I mean, it just has a couple different things. So I will tell you, I have a code. It's called Skin is in 30. I'll flash it on the screen here for you, but it's Skin is in 30 and you will save $30. But that is the device that I used for my finishing products and really just polishing off the facial treatment. I feel like it's definitely worth your coin, honestly. I'm not mad at it. If they didn't send it to me for free, I would have bought one. If I would have known about it, I would have definitely bought that before I bought what I bought, girl. So if I can help you save some money out here while still having like really great quality device in your treatment room, then I can do that. Look at my client. She looks amazing. She's glowing. Her skin looks hydrated. It's healthy. The oxygen therapy did its thing, and I love the results. Anyways, hope you guys like watching this video. If you liked the machine and you want to get it, I will put a link down below for you, so check it out down there. And you actually don't have to go anywhere because I have an entire playlist of amazing content for you guys. There's something for everyone. Check out this custom facial next if you are in the facial vibe, or if you're wanting some business advice, check out this video. So there's a couple to choose from. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Never get it wrong, it's always